for for so 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 okay. So right now we we're in a call for GM. We're in a call for that. So okay. This is all your options screen. Look when you're on E Trade. So say you're in options already. Like I'm in options already. When you ready to when the sell option are close, all you have to do is it close. And then you're gonna go to you're gonna go right here. You're gonna eat call. It's sell close, sell the close. Then you gotta eat the market right here. Then it is this. And I tell you, your estimated commission is 50 cents. And then I'll tell you how much you get back. So you would say receipt to order, bam. And right here, you already sold, bam. You know, you don't need all this is sold. That's all you would sell a contract in a in a when you buy a contract, that's how you will sell it. Now I'm gonna show you guys or you're gonna buy, buy a contract now. You're gonna buy one. Okay. Let's say okay, let's go to B ECA, Bank America. So we're gonna go on Bank America. We're gonna buy a call. It's okay. Bank America. So I'm gonna say I'm pay 6 cents for my Bank America contract, about 5 cents. Okay, so so if that was let me show you what guys are doing. Okay, so say you come in, you have the beginning of your screen. Like first come on E-Trade. Let me show you where you guys would be. Yeah, I would be the Irish audio guy. This screen. So you guys would come up to the screen right here. The first screen that you guys would see. Stock plan, stock portfolio. What I use this account for right, is option trading. So tell me I'm down $98 for dairy. So if that alone not coming back, I'm down $98 for this. So my options will be going bad. So see, that's what I bought today. This is my contract. That's what I'm doing for the day. See, and I paid into here, paid into that. Everything doing, everything up. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm gonna bring you guy back to or do you get options? This way you do. So you click options right there. So basically, it's what are you're gonna do? You're gonna take you to the options screen. Sorry guys, it's going to put this down below. Okay, so we're gonna go to BCC Bank America. We're gonna buy Bank America. Bank America is BAC Bank America. So it custom call. So that's why you call strategy. So when you're ready to place a call, you do a call or put a call split. What I call a call is the call gives the buyer the right to sell to buy a option at the strike price, but the a put so a call you will be making money if the stock is going up. And put the opposite, we will make money if the stock is going up. So what we can do for Bank America, we'll just say Bank America is in red now, so we will do a put against Bank America. So I would say, okay, Bank of America is going down, so I'm gonna pay $7 over here for the put. You see that? But what I'm doing, I'm take this off. So I'm say I'm pay 6 cents for that. Then first that will be market order because you want to go through right away. So the market order duration will be that say you say you preview order, bam, it takes you there.
Okay, so trying to be a net options seller. Do you have any platforms? I know you have your own software for this too, but like any platforms that you
So now we're gonna move over to Robinhood. That is done. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do with Robinhood. So if you're on Robinhood, you're gonna already be at the screen already. So this is the news you get from Robin. Robin gives you all the information at the bottom. Okay, so say you in Robinhood, like I'm doing like what I did with E-Trade. Say you are have an option contract already oh, open already. What you would do is click here, right? You see this? So right here, guys, I'm live trading, showing you guys all it's done. So right now, when you do a call, I'm betting that Sun Power will hit $45 share by Friday, January 22nd. If it doesn't hit it, I'm gonna lose my money. But but do I want to lose my money? No, I don't. So right now, for the day, he told me I already made $10 added to what I paid for, but I also paid $33 for the contract, but I also lost $7. But okay, it's going back up. Say I've done it. So if I want to close my contract, what I would do is it one, then I would go to zero zero two.
up front, if you're selling a contract that's going to have like $5,000 payout or something, do you have to prove to the
0.26. I'm saying 0.26. So I would take one contract which is with that. Then limit price would be my 26. Yeah. Oh yeah. Preview. There we go. And you're selling right to buy 100 shares of by January to can see, and that's already that's what it is easy. Okay, so let me show you guys. We're gonna play. So say I'm on Bank America. Say I want to bet that Bank America is gonna go up. So my buying policy is on the 8 cent. So there you go. So right now all you read now you tell me everybody says hey, 43 cents. I'm not gonna be worried about this. I'm worried about it. So when you do a call, you're gonna be I'm trying to bet that Bank America is gonna go to $34.56 by Friday. If it doesn't go there, then I lose my money. Which well, you're not gonna lose all of it, but what call option is basically you're betting that the stock is gonna go up in price. Opposed to betting that it's not gonna go down in price, we're gonna make money while it's going down in price. For this namesake when I put Bank of America had a put because Bank of America is dropping right now, so we're gonna buy a put against Bank of America. So Bank of America is going down, so we're gonna buy a put against it.
on your behalf because
So you see what I do? We do that,
can you win seven
and then
times?
bam,
Like is the
do
premium
one
that you
contract of Bank of America, and bam.
70% of the
See
time
all this is
this
easy.
perfect math
Ye-
world? Like
Bam,
is that enough to cover
only
those
pay
30%
$6.
of
Contracts are
outsized
really actually cheap. A lot of people say
yes.
options is expensive, but not really all that expensive.
Why you actually ask
But
this?
they
A
are.
lot of people will run the math on
It depends on the company. Sorry guys, the company loan. So okay, so you're paying $6 for the right to sell to share Bank of America to by generating this share on to you did have to okay, so I submit it. I know I got the contract. So when you have it, I will show you guys. Oh, you know that you have it.
when you sell the option contract, that contract is based on what the market thinks the stock is going to do, let's say from today until expiration in 30 days. So this expectation is always way over exaggerated. So what the market
So
thinks the
now
stock is going to
you
do
guys can
is
show you guys
never
my
what the
password.
stock actually does. So that difference in holding the contract during that time period is where the edge starts to materialize in option pricing. And so the quick answer is yes. The small wins that you collect 70% of the time are going to cover the random string of losses that you have. That if you walked into a casino, you never knew anything about a casino, how roulette worked, and you saw that red got hit 5 times in a row. You might think to yourself, well, hey, it looks like red always gets hit, so I'm going to place money on red, and then the next one's black, right? So that's where I think having really strong.
So guys, I'm waiting for what is to go through. So there we go. Okay, done.
But having a really strong
So I think I know now I got the answer for Bank of
I
America.
mean, it's hard to not be emotional when it is your hard-earned
Okay.
dollars at work. Yeah, totally is. And I get that. That's why my thought process on this, when I try to teach, is that you don't have to be, you can be emotional and you can let the mechanics of your rules and position sizing kind of be your backstop, right? You can be emotional and hate the fact that you lost, but just make sure you lost less than 1% or 1% so it doesn't kill you, right? Have that rule be your backstop. All right, and number 8.
Alright guys, so
Number 8, bring it home. Reduce commissions and fees. I mean, like this to me.
alright guys, so let's
This
go
probably
back
my
to the
second life in 10 years or something after I'm done with option alpha. But commissions and fees are just absolutely devastating regular investors. So I'll get on my soapbox for a minute and just talk about like regular stocks and mutual funds.
Okay, so here we are. So for the day, so you tell me what I'm over here doing. So my exam is up, my rope is up, my some power is up, my my GM is going down stronger than my CC. So look, when you go into a stock, you will know that is doing good because you exit. And I will also show you guys my strategy, what I trade.
Less than a percent in fees by using low cost ETFs, etc. Okay, so that's the baseline. You don't even take anything away from this. Like, slide options trading is not what you want to do. That's totally cool. I get it. I'm not for all people. That's okay. But at least reduce commissions and fees. So when it comes to options trading, the same thing can be said. You just want to reduce the commissions and fees as much as possible. Do I think that you should trade commission free on everything? I've already said, like, I willingly pay 75 cents per contract to trade on TD Ameritrade because their platform is way better than some of the other platforms. So could I trade for free on Robinhood? Yeah, I sure could, but I just don't think that it's worth the cost. So a guy who's running a business of trading options, I'm willing to pay a little bit of money for the cost of your business because I think I get enough out of it. Most investors, though, you shouldn't pay anything. Like nowadays, you should pay nothing to invest in stock. Stock should be 100% free. There's a lot of brokers who are already doing it. I've already said the entire world of.
Okay, so look at it. So I bought a option contract for Chevron. So what I want Chevron to go to is 101 by Friday. Chevron is currently at 94.68. I bought a contract for $10 and it's worth $11. Went up by a dollar. So when you guys want to check what you buy, you would come to this screen over here. So you click on Chevron. Won't be in Chevron will pop it up and I'll show it to you guys. It's that simple. It don't take no lot of work. So let me show you how you guys do it again. First, you're gonna go right here. It's right here. When you click on the Chevron, it's gonna be right here. Expiration date. It's gonna be on the bottom. With the expire Friday. then your call is gonna be it's a one-on-one call. That's why you want the stock to go. But you don't have to stay in the contract until the expiration date. You can take a profit around Thursday or the Wednesday, and then that's it. You're good. I got no. Sorry, I got tired.
I think options trading should be the same way. Like, if you're going to decide to do this, you got to be in it for the long game. That being said, when my first daughter was born, there's a huge learning curve. I didn't know how to do any of this stuff. I read about it in books. I had watched videos, right? I kind of knew what to do. There's a huge learning curve. And that curve got much easier over time. Options trading is going to be the same way. You're going to have a steep learning curve because there's jargon, there's new platforms, there's new terminology to get over, and I get that. Like that's why we do away all of our things and like
Alright,
courses.
so this is the screen that when you buy your option would appear right here. Everything would appear right here. I'm in red for with General Motor. I'm in red for Bank of America, but that's because it's going on. But at the same time, I'm just holding. Okay, so see, I go on the gym. GM will show me what's in red because with GM I do a strategy and GM, which is a it is a put and a call. Why do that strategy? Let me tell you why. So okay, say GM start going down, I'm gonna be making money. While GM start going up, I'm gonna start making money. See, and I look at it. I got to cover myself as like an insurance, like I cover myself. So put $20 in GM, now I'm at $25.
What's next for you? You taking this thing to a million members, or you're working on the next project, the real estate stuff? What's got you excited these days? Yeah, so I think for us, I mean, I've had for a long time
All right, guys. See, so that is what I'm already up by for the day. I'm up by 16 of it. All right, guys. So that was it. If you guys need to know anything else, you'll call me, contact me, send me a message. All right, guys. That's it.
So as people now do more research, do more software,